Greetings traders, I'm coming in late today. It's October 21st, 2014, Tuesday, October 21st. And I'm going to do a little trading here. I took a trade and forgot to record it. See, I'm recording right now, so I am ready to take another trade. I'll be right back once I take the trade. Okay, I have taken a long position here. And I don't know, hopefully this will be for 20 ticks. But it might go shallow, and if it does, I'll get out early. But we'll see. We'll see how much it wants to move up here. I'll come right back and update you on the trade. Okay, the trade is making a move up here. I'm going to want to place a break-even stop on this at 82.06. What's it doing? Looking at the code. Yeah. I'm going to want to place a stop on this to see what it does here. Okay, it seems to just be coming back down. Let me watch it for another minute, see what the code says on this thing. If it moves up again, I'm going to place a break-even stop on it. Now notice if I would have placed the break-even stop right there, when it came down right there, it would have hit it at the break-even stop. Now I'm looking for it to move back up again and go up to the top, and I'm going to place the break-even stop, because at that point, it's either going to go break or it's going to come back down. One of the two. So I'm waiting for it to get there, needing to get up to about 15 or so, and then I'll place a break-even stop on it. Okay, it's going. I'm placing the break-even stop on it down to 82.06. 82.06. Okay, break-even stop in place. It's either the exit or the stop. But either way, I can't lose anyway. So it's either going to shoot up here and go hit my exit, or it will come all the way back down and go get the stop. Or I could just take the profit right here if I wanted to. But this is the way I'm going to play it. I'm going to let it go, one way or the other. It's a way to take your winning days and make big winning days. Like you see me have these days where I don't hardly make anything. Other days I make really good. I might get out right here. Yeah, let me get out. Let me get out. Because you know, if you knew what code 2 was, I shouldn't have gotten out. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Oh well. Made a good trade. So, guess what? I think I can take one more trade here for the day. I came in late, so I haven't got a lot of trading in. But I've been looking at the code. Man, it's great today. Great today. Too bad I got up too late. Anyway, I am going to come right back, and we'll see if I can get another trade. Okay, this is the one trade per day code 2 strategy. But I just wanted to point something out today. Instead of using the normal entry, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use a halfback entry either. I'm going to use a precision level code 1 entry into a code 2 trade. Now, sometimes, because I know what the exact code is for today, so sometimes this will work really super well and get you in, like, you know, acing it. Get you in like on the halfback technique, but be able to ace it at the same time. And you can score really big ones on this, especially if there's a huge range. And let me see here, what's the range on today? The range is it's a little over normal actually, but it's not quite as high as it's been. Well, actually, it's in between normal and what its high is usually. So it's running about mid-range right now. So, oh, and another thing is that this particular trade hasn't been really hitting 20 on its normal entry. It's been really tight for some reason. I don't know why. You just have to track that. So it's better to use a precision level code entry then on this trade. If it already goes the amount of ticks it's supposed to go before that entry comes, well, then you could just pass it, or just basically pass it, because it would probably be a reversal at that point. So, but most of the time it won't do that. By far the mathematical percentage will come out that you'll be able to get a good entry and be able to take 20 ticks or more off this trade. But I would just, since it's been running shallow, I'd just take the 20. Take the 20 and settle for the 20. So that's what I'm going to do, what I'm going to demonstrate on this particular one right here. So I will be back shortly to take an entry into this trade. And it may end up doing nothing. It may end up providing a really super big score. It just depends on what it does, which way it says it's going to go, and then what it does from there. So I'll come back shortly. Okay, I have taken an entry to go long here. We'll go for 20 ticks from this point. I might do it a little bit shorter, like 15. I'm not sure. We'll see how much it wants to move. But right now it's set for 20. This is a precision level entry using code 1 into what I presume is going to soon be a code 2 trade. And so this is the setup for it right here. And we'll see what happens when it starts to move up. I'll be back shortly to update you on this trade. Okay, I'm just tightening up my stop right there to 43. If it wants to drop down right there, I'm just going to take a quick loss. It's been harder at the end of the day here. It's been choppy. I should have got up early today. It was so good. I took a look at the code. It was so good. Oh man, I gotta start getting up earlier for this. Okay, I'll come back shortly. Okay, it's starting to break higher here. I'm going to want to put a break-even stop on this, so I can actually adjust it from right here, but it's going to move out of range here soon. 48, I'm going to put it at 82.49. See, it just moved out of range. I'll put it right now, 82.49 on the stop. 82.49 on the stop. Okay, stop's in place. I don't have to worry about it now. Just let it go. We'll take a look at the code here real quick. Where are we at? Okay, there's a chance we could get out here real quick. Let me see here. Watching the code. Yeah, if it shoots up here, I'm going to go ahead and get out manually if it doesn't hit me. Come on, jump up. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to get out manually if it doesn't hit me. Alright, I'm going to get out right there. Okay, that's about the best I can do for today. It's choppy and it's shallow, but you know what? I got out early last time and look what it did. All it did was go up. But look at where we are now. I mean, we've been doing what? Going nothing but up. You can rest assured it's going to be toppy up here. It's going to get and be toppy. Now, not necessarily. This thing may shoot and go another 50 ticks, but it just would have a likeliness to start getting toppy. This isn't the point where you want to be like, gun-ho and let's go for 20 and I'm not going to take anything less. This is the time to say, okay, it just almost hit my exit, but didn't quite do it. I'll just take it, boom, wrap it up, end of the day, call it a day. That's what I just did. Trading is all about how to manage everything too, because all different kinds of things happen like crazy constantly. You kind of have to manage everything. Now, it's not as easy as it looks, and it's not as hard as some people say. It's somewhere in the middle, but it does take practice, and you have to have a really good system. The code is the best system you could possibly use, so don't even bother trying to use anything else. It's the ultimate indicator. And like, for instance, we may get a short entry here. If I wanted to go short off this thing, I could. Who knows? I might be able to get 20 ticks off of this. But the only way you know is to go into it and find out, but manage the trade. But I want to get going right now and call it a day. I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders. Hope this video has helped you a bit to understand how you can do this and how, the technique I just used on the 1 trade per day code 2. I'm not sure how many ticks I made, but I think I came close to 20, I think. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, I think I came pretty close to making 20 ticks on that one. But, whatever it is, it's a successful trade. The code was so easy today, just like yesterday. So easy. You just have to find what the right code is. Don't try to free trade everything like I've kind of been doing, because I'm sort of, I'm really good at this. Just find the right code. It's won every trade today. Alright, that's all you gotta do. Every trade. I got in late, and look where I'm at. If I'd have got in earlier and was using that same code, I'd be up like $5,000-$6,000 right here, right now. No problem. It's worked every single trade. Hasn't lost one trade today. So, just find the right code, and if, for you code players out there, you just saw what it was. So, it's no problem, it's no problem. Just learn how to do this, and you'll be able to basically make as much as you need. Okay, so I will be back tomorrow to take more trades and to show you how effective this trading system is that I both discovered and developed at the same time, or in conjunction with each other, let's put it that way. So I'll be back tomorrow, and happy trading out there, traders, and I hope these videos are helping you. Happy trading.